Now some warnings and things to be aware of with regards to VTP. A new switch can automatically become part of a VTP domain once it receives an advertisement from a server. So a switch that has been erased can join the VTP domain automatically. A switch must be in transparent mode or server mode if you want to add, change or delete VLANs. When a change is made on a server, that change is propagated to all other switches in the VTP domain, but VTP advertisements are only sent across trunk links. When changing VLANs, you are typically changing the subnet used by devices in that VLAN. If you remember from what we discussed earlier, a VLAN is a single broadcast domain or single IP subnet. If you change the VLAN, it implies that you're changing the subnet used by those hosts. You don't have to do that, but that's typically what you're going to do. When you assign a port to a new VLAN, that port is automatically removed from the previous VLAN. You don't have to use the no switch port access a VLAN command to remove the port from the VLAN. You simply assign the port to the new VLAN and it's automatically removed from the previous VLAN. When you delete a VLAN from the VLAN database, all ports previously configured in that VLAN will be error disabled. You can break a network where a new switch is added to the topology and removes VLANs from the VLAN database, so you need to be careful with VTP and the introduction of new switches into the topology. Remember that all access ports configured in a VLAN, such as VLAN 10, where the VLAN doesn't exist in the VLAN database, will be error disabled by the switch. For a port to belong to a VLAN and function properly, that VLAN must exist in the VLAN database.